Welcome to Journey Stories with William Thomas Productions. Hi, I'm William, and in this episode, we are taking a journey to an ancient fortress city, a city perched high above the turquoise waters of the Caribbean. This is Tulum. Our journey begins along this rugged coast. We're heading towards the last great city of the ancient Maya. Here, where land meets sea, the Maya built their fortress. Built in the 13th century, Tulum was more than a city. It was a fortress, a trading hub, and a gateway between land and the ocean. From these walls, the Maya watched for merchants arriving with jade, obsidian, and cacao, all treasures that crossed jungles and oceans. El Castillo, the castle, was a beacon for travelers and a silent witness to centuries of rise and fall. The Temple of the Frescoes still holds the image of the diving god, a mystery carved into stone looking down on the waves below. Today, Tulum stands as a bridge between the living world and the echoes of history. Here, every stone tells a story, and every view carries the heartbeat of the Maya. This is Journey Stories. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out this next video right here.